I have already given you the first part of the video of the chapter The Fallen Soldier. This video is the sequence of the previous video, The Fallen Soldier Part 2. Hello students, this is KD sir. Today we are going to do English Literature of Standard 4, Chapter 2, The Fallen Soldier. The poem The Fallen Soldier. I have already given you the first video on this. This is the second part of the video of the poem The Fallen Soldier. In this video, we are going to discuss the poem more deeply and we are going to focus on its exercises also. As you already know, this is the poem on the sacrifice of the soldiers who have sacrificed their life for their motherland and their people. But before I start, I want to read out the poem for you once again. Pay attention. Fallen soldier, all alone. Fallen soldier, far from home. Trickling down his face a tear, forgetting how it feels to fear. Death and all its fate and glory, now it's here, no need to worry. Fallen soldier, all alone. Fallen soldier, far from home. He is one of those they will all forget. The life he lived, the goals he set. The ones he loved, the ones who wait to see his nearly forgotten face. Fallen soldier, all alone. Fallen soldier, far from home. Now breathing is just a waste of breath, and living is just a waste of death. As he searches for a new address, a brand new home, free of loneliness. Fallen soldier, all alone. Fallen soldier, far from home. Lying motionless on the ground, the battle raging all around. For now he is not all alone. This fallen soldier is welcomed home. This is the poem by Brandon Hidalgo. The poem talks about how a soldier goes far away from home, gives up his life and his loved ones for the sake of glory and honor of his country. He dies on the battleground in pain and loneliness, longing to go home, but proud in his heart that he gave up his life for his country and his people. Let's see what is the rhyme scheme of this poem. First, I will tell you what is rhyme scheme. Rhyme scheme is the pattern of rhyme that comes at the end of each verse or line in poetry. In other words, it is the structure of end words of a verse or line that a poet needs to create when writing a poem. Many poems are written in free verse style. Some other poems follow non-rhyming structures, paying attention only to the number of syllables. On the basis of uses, there may be different types of rhyme scheme, like alternate rhyme, ballad rhyme, mono rhyme, triplet rhyme, and close rhyme, etc. In this poem, The Fallen Soldier, the rhyme scheme is A, B, C, C, D, E. In this poem, you will also notice repetition of lines. That is one figure of speech. Every stanza begins with the same two lines. Fallen soldier, all alone, fallen soldier, far from home. By repeating these lines, the poet clearly conveys and emphasizes that the poem is about a soldier who has been injured out on the battlefield, far away from his own homeland. Whenever a soldier has to fight for his country, during his journey, he has to go to some other country and fight for his own country or at the borders of his country. Let's discuss the title of the poem, The Fallen Soldier. Why the poet has kept the name The Fallen Soldier, the name of this poem. What does the fallen soldier portrays? A fallen soldier means a soldier who is very injured. The fallen soldier means the soldier who is totally wounded by the enemy's attacks and he is going to die anytime. The tired and wounded and worn out soldier has been described here as the fallen soldier. In the repetition of the beginning of every stanza, you see fallen soldier all alone, fallen soldier far from home. It means the soldier is injured, the soldier is going to die, and he is far away from his homeland. He is going to die also in the foreign land, and far away from his families and his near and dear ones. If we see stanza 1, fallen soldier all alone, fallen soldier far from home, trickling down his face a tear, forgetting how it feels to fear, that and all its fate and glory, now it's here, no need to worry. So here in the first stanza, what is meant by fallen soldier? Fallen soldier is the wounded soldier who is going to die. Where is the soldier now? The soldier is in the foreign land, fighting for his country. And if I ask, how do you think the soldier is feeling right now? So the answer will be, the soldier is wounded, worn out, tired. He has no energy. He has no power. He is wounded. Blood is coming out of his body. And he is missing his family and missing his dear friends. He is thinking anytime he is going to die. But he cannot meet his family and his dear ones. If I ask you another question, what has the soldier forgotten? The soldier has forgotten his fear. He has no fear because he is facing death, standing courageously in front of his enemies. So the soldier has forgotten pain. The soldier has forgotten fear. If I ask you another question from stanza 1, why is there no need for the soldiers to worry now? So the answer will be, the soldier has no worry now because ultimately he knows what is going to happen to him. He is going to face death. And after death, there is nothing to worry. There will be everlasting peace and everlasting silence. Now let's see the paraphrase of the first stanza. The poet describes the feeling of a soldier in this stanza who has fallen while fighting. He is all by himself, far away from home. He is wounded with no help. Tears fall down his face. His end is near, so he does not fear anymore. Now let's come to stanza 2, which says, Fallen soldier all alone, fallen soldier far from home. He is one of those they will all forget. The life he lived, the goals he set, the ones he loved, the ones who wait to see his nearly forgotten face. Here, in this stanza, the fallen soldier who is far from home knows he will be forgotten as one of the many who die fighting for their country. No one will remember him, his goals, the people he loved, or the dear ones who may be waiting for him to return home. In brief, anything that was important to him won't matter to anyone after some time because he is going to die. So if I would like to ask a few questions based on this stanza, who all will forget the soldier? Who all will forget the soldier? Answer will be, after some time, the world is going to forget him. Some of his family members is going to forget him. His friends is going to forget him. His dear and near ones is going to forget him. Because whoever dies, we remember that person, but after some time, we forget about him or her. Now, second question I would like to ask based on this stanza. What will everyone forget about the soldier? What will everyone forget about the soldier? Everyone will forget about the soldier. Everyone will forget about the soldier's name. Some is going to forget the works, the deed he has done, the sacrifice he has made for his country. Some going to forget his face. Some going to forget about the act, what he used to do. Some going to forget about his voice also. Okay. Now let's come to the third stanza of the poem. Fallen soldier all alone, fallen soldier far from home. Now breathing is just a waste of breath, and living is just a waste of death. As he searches for a new address, a brand new home, free of loneliness. In this stanza, the fallen soldier is about to breathe his last. That means he is going to die. Making any more. Here, the fallen soldier is about to breathe his last. Making any more effort to breathe is a waste of life. The soldier is probably already looking forward to knowing what happens after that. Perhaps he will not feel any loneliness once he dies and his soul goes to a new home. Related to this stanza, I would like to ask some question again. Why is breathing considered to be a waste? Why is breathing considered to be a waste for the soldier? Answer is, breathing considered to be a waste for the soldier because he knows he is going to die in a few moments. And struggling for life is not suitable for him. He is wounded, he is worn out, and anytime he is going to die. That's why, according to him, breathing and struggling for breathing, struggling to have a life is a waste. Now, next question. Why is the poet's current existence a waste? Why is the poet's current existence is a waste? Poet's current existence is a waste because he knows that in a few moments he is going to die. No more breathing he is going to take any longer. Ultimately, he is going to meet his death. That is why his present condition, his present existence is a waste for him. I would like to ask one more question related to this stanza. What is the soldier searching for and why? The soldier is searching for a new address, mean his new home, abode. Because after death, a person goes to abode. That's why the soldier is searching for his new home, where he will live after death. Now, let's come to the fourth stanza. The fourth stanza, fallen soldier all alone, fallen soldier far from home, lying motionless on the ground, the battle raging all around. For now he is not all alone, this fallen soldier is welcomed home. So, in this stanza, what the poet wants to say is, the soldier is now dead, the battle around him still continues. Now that the soldier is dead, he has achieved honor and glory. He has, in other words, reached home, because honor and glory for his country is what the soldier lives and dies for. Related with this stanza, I would like to ask two more questions. First question, what is the state of the soldier now? What is the state of the soldier now? Answer, the soldier is motionless. The soldier is motionless. He is not moving. His heart is not beating. His body is unable to move because he is totally dead now. Next question, why is the soldier no longer alone? The soldier is no longer alone because after that, where he has gone, that means his original home, the abode, he is joined by other soldiers who have also died with him. So he is no more alone any longer. I hope all of you have understood the poem well. Stanza wise I have explained in a very deep way. Now please open page 22 of your textbook. Yes. Please open your English literature book, chapter 2, page 22. If you open page 22 and if you see exercise B, the fallen soldier, page 22, exercise B, if you see, there are 6 question answer. Question 1 is, where is the soldier? Question 1, where is the soldier? Answer will be, the soldier is in the battlefield of foreign land. He is away from his homeland and is fighting for his country. Okay. Now see question 2. Question 2 is, why is he referred to as fallen? Question 2, why is he referred to as fallen? Answer is, he is referred to as fallen because he is wounded, he is tired, and he is worn out, and anytime he is going to die. That is why the soldier is referred to as fallen. Now come to question 3. Question 3 is, why do you think his face is nearly forgotten? The answer is, his face is nearly forgotten because he is dead, he is no more, and people forgot about his brave deeds. Some forget about his name and voice. Everything what he has done, people has forgotten about it. Now come to question 4. Question 4 is, why is breathing just a waste of breath? Why is breathing just a waste of breath? Answer is, breathing is just a waste of breath because soldier know that he is going to die anytime. He is wounded, he is worn out, and he is going to die soon. That is why, according to soldier, it is just a waste of breath to breathe any longer. Now come to question 5. Question 5 is, to which home is the fallen soldier welcomed in the end? I repeat the question 5. To which home is the fallen soldier welcomed in the end? Answer is, the soldier is welcomed in his homeland by his own people, by his family, by his friend, and by his country. Now see the last question, question 6. How is the soldier freed of his loneliness? I repeat the question 6. How is the soldier freed of his loneliness? Answer is, the soldier is freed of his loneliness by joining the other soldiers in the abode after death. In this way, he has freed himself from the loneliness where he is now. I hope all of you have understood all the 6 question answer here. You can pause the video and write your question answer also. Hello, this is KD. I hope you like the video. So keep on watching the video. All the best and good luck.